Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, it wasn't part of my training, but okay.
Thanks. We'll be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Okay, folks, I guess you're going on a train ride going back into the city to
Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the port. Hi, folks. How you doing? Hey, Miss and Liam. I'm trying to good care of our back. Worst barely thing. What could possibly go wrong?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
We'll be right down.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.
What's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long.